I am Pravin Sir, international IELTS trainer. I have been in this field for last 19 years and I have globally trained thousands of students for IELTS. Now today I am going to discuss some key principles. They are called key principles of reading or keyword locating principles. Now if you ask me what is the most effective skill in IELTS reading, is first to understand the keywords of the question. So it is apparent that you read the questions first and identify the keywords and underline them. Understand them very well, because finally the success would lie in locating these keywords. So if keywords are clear to you, second skill is understanding the meaning, because you can expect some kind of paraphrasing also in the exam as far as the keywords are concerned. So what we do generally is there are four types of questions in IELTS test, reading test, which are in where the answers are in sequence, and there are four types of questions where the answers are not in sequence. So what we generally do, we take any long passage, divide it into three parts. So when we take first 1/3 portion, we take 50% keywords of all question types related to that passage and start searching the keywords. And once we identify the keywords in the passage, then we try to understand and interpret the meaning. So this is called keyword locating principle, and this is certainly a very effective principle which can give you success in IELTS reading. So we teach many such useful tricks and tips to you, especially like how to identify false and not given, which keywords can give you clear indication that this is probably the statement which may be false or which may be not given. So all these techniques are taught in our online and classroom classes. So if you are interested in scoring high in IELTS test, you can join us. My contact details are given in the video. Thank you for watching this video.